I never thought it would happen to us, but one morning I went downstairs and the basement was flooded. Water everywhere. Turns out the outlet our sump pump was plugged into had tripped during the night, and without the pump running, water just kept filling up until it spilled right into our family room and bedroom. The carpet was soaked, water was creeping up the walls. It was honestly overwhelming. I didn't even know where to start. I called Prime Restoration, and they were out to our house so fast. They didn't just jump in blindly either. They used thermal cameras and moisture meters to figure out exactly how far the water had spread. Then they protected the rest of our house with sheeting on the stairs before they started tearing anything out. They removed the wet carpet, cut out only the damaged drywall, pulled the soaked insulation, all of it done really carefully. Then they set up these heavy-duty fans and dehumidifiers and came back over the next few days to check on everything. By the time they were done, the moisture levels were back to normal and our basement was completely dried out and ready for repairs. I'm so glad we called them when we did. They made a really stressful situation feel manageable.